In this video, I will show you how to enable keyboard backlight in your laptop. So let's begin our video. The process is very similar for most of the brand, but sometimes it's different. The process is you just need to find out the key plus and minus icon. So here you can see in my case F9 and F10. Here you can see there have a small icon key minus and key plus. So if you just press Fn also F10 continuously, then you increase your keyboard backlight, and if you just press Fn and F9 continuously, then you can decrease the key light. So I'm just going to show you Fn and F10 continuously. Here you can see right now, here you can see keyboard backlight already enable or increased, and right now if you just press Fn and F9 continuously, here you can see keyboard backlight decreased. So guys, in this way you can very easily enable keyboard backlight in your laptop. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.